will call my own. 22 grandkids now growing old, and the house that your brother bought you. On the summer day when I proposed, I made that wedding ring dentist gold. And I asked her father, but her daddy said no, you can't marry my daughter. She and I went on the run, don't care about religion. I'm gonna marry the woman I love down by the Wexford border. She was Nancy Mulligan.
Hello, our team is performed by Anna, Taide, Vianney, Eury, Samantha, Sophie, Diana, Ale, and me. First, we're gonna present the Newton's first law, also known as inertial law, and Taide, Anna, and me are gonna explain it. This law, the first law, states that in the absence of external forces, a body at a resting state will always remain this way, or if it is in a state of motion at a constant speed, it will continue in this state. Now, Anna.
Well, hey, I'm Anna, and to make this funnier, we use some characters from Disney. And to this side, we have a Jessie, and here we have a Winnie Pooh with a costume of tiger, and in the car we have Boo, and he's gonna drive. And in this side we have a Stitch. Okay. To realize this experiment, we use a car, a big one, and a small one, and some wood, and an object that will stop the car if it wants to go back. And here we have another object to stop the big car. First of all, I want to say anything before Taide explains the other part, and is that another allegation mentioned in Newton's first law is regarding objects at rest, indicating that while there are no forces that move them, the object will remain in this resting condition permanently. So, Taide, just do it! Ah!
To demonstrate the Newton's first law, I'm going to do the following. With my hands, as an external force, I'm going to push the car with all my forces, and the big car is going to go in that direction. So our hypothesis is that the little car is going to go away as the big car is going to stay when it crashes to that object. So here it is.
Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again.
As you can see, Jessie died because of the experiment, but the car is okay. So it's just a collateral damage.
So as you can see, the experiment worked.
So our hypothesis was right, because we are geniuses and we can do anything.
So now Andrea is going to talk about why the experiment worked.
Well, the two cars were in a state, in a resting state, until an external force, her hands, interrupt it, and it became at a state of motion, so it moved.
Until an object, an external force, it was this one, crashes with the big car, and the car was a resting object again.
So the little one was in the top of the roof, so when the big car stopped here, it crashed with this object, the little one continue moving and it fly away.
And we also saw that Jessie was standing
when the big one
next to this object, and when the car moved, she felt, because she was in a force of resting, and an external object, that was the car, killed her.
So she did.
Exactly. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you understand it, and that is all for the experiment.
And
Yeah, hope you like it.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.